Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. This is Javed Zulfikar, your mathematics teacher. First of all, I want to congratulate to all the students who has promoted from the previous class to pre-9th. So for this I will be teach mathematics inshallah for this session. So in 9th there are basically different science subjects but also a math upgraded form. So in pre-9, first of all we will try to complete the half book and then the next inshallah the half next in the next year. So let's see the content of that book. That will be the first thing, mathematics science group. In mathematics there is also an arts group, but we are going to study discussing about science group. First of all, content. The first thing is matrix. What is matrix? First of all, I want to tell matrix. In matrix we will discuss numbers in the form of square bracket. In this chapter we will discuss real numbers written in the form of square bracket with some order, basic order like rows and column. We will discuss the sum of matrix, subtraction of matrix, multiplication of two matrix, also their rules, how they are conformable for addition and multiplication. And the next we will discuss also inversion method and Cramer rule. At the end we will see that the review of all the chapter that we will discuss in the complete chapter. 6 exercises will be there for this matrix chapter. This will be the first chapter. All right, the next is real and complex number. In real number we will discuss, real number are so important. In all the classes you already studied about real numbers. So what are real numbers? All the numbers in your mind are called real number. All the numbers that we are using in our daily life, these are real numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 0, 3 over 4, 2.5, all negative number, -7, -8, -9, 1 whole number, 3 over 4, mixed number. So all numbers are real number. Complex number which are not existing, we think that they are imaginary, which have in our imagination. So just like this. So how to add real and imaginary number? So it will be form of complex number like this. The next is, this chapter is so important as compared to other, all are important here. The next is logarithm. Logarithm chapter is also so important, but this chapter is easy as compared to other. Calculator, we use calculator in the form of logarithm. Also logarithmic table is also available on markets, or also on the end of your books a logarithmic table is there. So we can use anyone anywhere like this. So this will be logarithms. The next is algebraic expression and formulas. Algebraic expression. Algebra start from here. You people are studying algebra from 4 class. If I am not wrong, from 4 class, but exactly 5 in class 5 is it must be there. 5, 6, 7, 8. The same type of algebraic expression are there. In algebraic expression and manipulation, we will see how polynomials are written, how polynomials will be formed. How the next thing is that polynomial of how we can divide two polynomials, two algebraic expression. Also their formulas, 7 and 8 formulas, square formulas, cube formulas, like this. And the last one that we will discuss, factorization. These two chapters are related with each other. In factorization we will find the factors of different number, different algebraic expression with the help of midterm break method. So these are the basic content that we are discussing in this year. So my last advice to all the students, so be careful, don't go outside, but in case of emergency must take your mask and wash your hand, use sanitizer after coming back your home. मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए, अल्लाह हाफिज़.